Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off upvotes on your comments, on your email settings, on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First, click on this profile icon. Now click settings, and now click account settings. Now click manage emails, and here as you see you will find upvotes on your comments. Just click on it like this, and if you want to turn it off, just like this, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.